In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight fast with smoothies even if you hate veggies. In a moment, I'm going to share a personal story about how I lost weight using a diet consisting entirely of smoothies. But first, let's get to the video. Losing weight is hard, but it's even harder if you don't like veggies. Smoothies are a great way to lose weight as they have all the benefits of vegetables without the taste. The best part about smoothies is that you can choose to exclude veggies as you wish. In this video, we will explore the best recipes that will help you lose weight fast. This is an easy and tasty way for anyone who doesn't like veggies to still get their daily dose of vitamins and minerals. Here is a list of top 5 weight loss smoothies recipes without veggies. 1. Avo Berry Smoothie. Combine together 1 avocado, peeled and pitted, 1 cup raspberries or any berry of your choice, 1 cup orange juice and half a banana. Blend on high for about 30 seconds to create a thick smoothie. 2. Peachy Punch Smoothie. Blend together 1 cup pear juice, or white grape juice, 1 ripe banana, peeled and frozen, half cup of frozen peaches, and half cup raspberry sherbet until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add more juice. 3. Banana Berry Blast Smoothie. Blend together 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 banana, half cup plain yogurt until smooth. Add more juice if it's too thick. 4. Orange Julius Smoothie. Blend together 1 cup orange juice, 1 whole raw egg, 2 tablespoons honey, and half teaspoon vanilla until smooth. Don't let the raw egg scare you. There's a reason that drinks like this have been around for decades. Studies show that eggs are healthy and safe to eat raw as long as the shell is thoroughly washed. 5. Blackberry Almond Smoothie. Blend together half cup blackberries, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, 1 cup vanilla almond milk, and 1 frozen banana until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add more almond milk to thin it out. All these recipes are tasty and easy to make. The best thing about them is that you can add veggies, and the taste will be the same. And now, I'm going to share a personal story about how I lost weight using a diet consisting entirely of smoothies. I have always struggled with my weight in the past. At first, I just started counting calories and walking every day. After a few weeks, I felt really good about myself, so I wanted to take it up a notch and started making smoothies. Some people might think that drinking a smoothie is not tasty because it does not contain any meat, but I learned the hard way that you can make anything taste good if you know what ingredients to use. If you don't like vegetables or fruit, I recommend trying the Peachy Punch smoothie recipe that I shared in this video. Let me know in the comments section if you decide to make these and do review the taste. In the next video, I am going to talk about how to lose weight with protein smoothies without looking buff. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe as it helps build this channel. See you in the next one.